Hi everyone, I'm Alex, otherwise known as Akov, and welcome to my first tutorial for Sample Genie. For those of you not familiar with me, I've been producing drum and bass and experimental music since 2013 and released on labels such as Eat Brain, Blackout, Ram Records and many more. Today I'm going to be focusing on drum synthesis and arrangement, particularly in the style of neurofunk, but hopefully these techniques will be applicable and useful to you in many situations. So back in 2016, I just recently released my first EP on Mindtech Records, the Mantra EP, and I had been approached by Eat Brain Records and AMC's Titan Records to make music for them. The problem was I just couldn't produce consistent results, and finishing these EPs was proving really difficult for me. And in hindsight, there were various factors that contributed to this, which I'll get into later on in this video. But long story short, I had just come up with a method to get these songs finished, and the solution came to me in the form of creating a drum template. This is what I'll be sharing with you today. Obviously, it's undergone various updates and tweaks since then, but the essence and the kind of idea behind it is what I'm going to be covering today in depth.